Okay, well, next up, we have hints, tips, and tricks of the week, and this one is actually a upcoming little mini conference, VSCode Day. So if you guys are using VSCode, which a lot of you guys are, I know, VSCode Day is coming up April 26th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time, and they say it's their annual event where you'll learn how to evaluate your development workflow using the latest and greatest features of VS Code. And so I will pull it up on my local screen so you guys can check it out. But it looks like a cool little event. Got lots of content, short little presentations too, so nothing too long. You can look at Copilot, everybody wants that, but code spaces using Rust and Python. But yeah, GitHub Next, which is always interesting to see, and GitHub integration. They're doing a lot of cool stuff with VS Code for GitHub, so everyone's using that. You can tie in, cover a bit of everything really. So you might have recognized some of these speakers, you may not, but quite a lot of stuff going on. So that's our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Go check that one out, and you can see all the things all in one day. So it's like a year's worth of our stuff all at once. So that's our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Sign up for that one. It's free. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.